What's up guys, Creepy396 here, and I'm doing a best class setup for the VMP in Black Ops 3. And I didn't put radar on. It's freaking amazing. So yeah. Oh no, it's on. Oh no, it's not. Alright, so this is the best VMP class. So wait, it's a melt machine basically when I do this. Bro, that was me, okay? I was not being a tryhard. Like, me be a tryhard, you're a beast with this. So finish him off. They freaking die. Alright, that was me. So for the VMP, you need quick draw, grip, and for God's sakes, you guys freaking die. Alright, hold up. Sorry about this. Just find him again. What? Okay, so you need quick draw, grip, and rapid fire on the VMP. Yes, you need to max this out. I know. Like you guys hate me for that now. So yeah. So I'm no secondary because you should need one if you're as beast as me. So let me pick up this PO6. Let me show you guys how beast the PO6 is. See, I'm gonna do this in a separate video. So yeah. What you wanna do after that? The perks are 6 cents. I freaking suck. Perks are 6 cents. Fast hands and awareness. Oh, quit running away, bro. Run away. I just want to play. Get away from me. Alright, so and for your and I think tacticals, you're gonna want 2 concussions. So yeah, if you have good aim, this thing is a melt machine. Like legit, for real. Like look at that. Look at that. See, so if you just have good aim, part of it is your skills too. No. Okay, guys, I'm 7-7 right now. See if I can win this game. Freaking die. Alright, so what was I saying? If you just have good aim and just aim, I guess, you will get your kills. So let me just purify it right now. I'm blazing, bro. I'm spit fire. I spit fire, bro. I spit fire, bro. Let's go, double kill. I wonder if I could get a quad feed. How? Alright, so I'm 12-9. Guys, you're not gonna see the end to this video, okay? Because my phone sucks. Like, I think I'm just gonna get my dad's camera to record. Like, you hardly ever need to reload. It's so good. Because since you shoot so many bullets, like, I don't even care if you replace one of them with FMJ, it would still make it really good. To make it make it even more of a melt machine. Oh crap, let me get up in here. Kill you. Hey, I said. Ow, so yeah. I think I'm gonna end it here, guys. And then I'm gonna upload it to YouTube. Then I'm gonna make another video of the best locust class. Oh shoot, what happened? Has this always been like that? I don't know. So yeah. See you later, guys. Peace. peace. Creepy396 out. Like, subscribe, and share my channel. And let's go. Peace.